Welcome back to Document Understanding video series. So far in this example, we have reached up to a step wherein we have the human validated output results. We are calling it as reviewed results. If you look at the variable type, it is extraction results variable type. This kind of variable type cannot be written or taken as an output. For that, we will have to export this extraction result and convert it into some kind of variable which can be written into the Excel. For that, we'll go for following step. The following step was to export the result and write the output into the Excel. We have got an activity here called export extraction result. This will do our job. The input would be the reviewed results and output would be final results. I'm calling it as final results. If you look at this, this is a data set. This data set is a collection of tables and these tables can be written into the Excel. Collection of data tables. So we need to have the for each to get the output into the Excel. I'm just dragging and dropping this for each loop here and taking this final results as an input. This is a tables collection, so I'll just append dot tables here and drag and drop a right range. Here we go. Let's call the output Excel as output dot xlsx. Let's rename the name of the sheet as pan, no range specified, and table needs to be item. Obviously, this for each activity needs to be supplied with right kind of data type. It's data table. That's it, done. We have our output into the Excel now. Our bot is ready. All the steps required are done. We have loaded the taxonomy, digitized the document, classify it. We have extracted the data. We have done the human validation. We have exported the results into the data set. And now we have iterated the data set to write the tables into the output file. That's it. Excited to see this bot running. Let's check the input first and run the bot. This is our input, it's PAN card, and let's try running this bot. Soon it will come up for human validation. And there we go. We have the data extracted and the confidence level is 97, 100, 100 and 99, which is quite good. Above 95 everything is good. So we have got the data extracted. If I click on save, continue and save, refresh this, we have the output file ready. We have the values extracted. There are some formatting values here and the headers are missing. I think for that we need to do two changes in the program. Don't save. First of all, add the header here and then go to the data extraction scope and uncheck this checkbox. Format value if possible. We don't need this. Once we remove this one and add the header, the data would be even more presentable. Let's have a look. Run it again. The fields are same. Save it. Continue. That's it. We have the headers and the data is in more presentable format. You want to try this with another PAN card? Let's try doing that. Let's see if the PAN card is changed, whether it will extract the data correctly. I'm bringing in this another PAN card here. This is our input this time. Notice the change in name and the PAN number. Close it. PAN card number 3. I'll change the variable. Save it. Run it. And here we go. We have the correct name, father's name, date of birth, and the PAN number extracted from the new PAN card. Save it. Continue and save. Done. Check the output. And here we go. Exciting, isn't it? So by following these steps, you can digitize and you can extract the data from almost any of the documents. Now what we are remaining with is train the same bot to extract the data from license and Aadhaar card, which are again similar kind of JPG files, structured one, and we need output of them into the Excel. Let's try doing that in next video. Thank you.